Hello, students. In this video, we are diving into an exciting topic called collocations. Let's learn together. Collocations are groups of two or more words that are frequently used together. For example, comfort zone, fully aware, take a break, give a presentation, etc. These word combinations sound natural because they often appear together in the English language. Now, let's learn the importance of collocation. This helps to expand our vocabulary by learning words that go together. This helps to make the language more simple and understandable. Let's look into the types of collocations: adverb plus adjective. Utterly stupid, highly recommended. Adjective plus noun. Best friend, balanced diet. Noun plus noun. Call center, apple pie. Noun plus verb. Clock ticks, birds sing. Verb plus noun. Do laundry, tell a lie. Verb plus preposition. Admitted to, insist on. Now, let's learn how collocations work in sentences. Ronnie closed the deal. We should always tell the truth. Now it's your turn to answer. Give an example of a collocation. Share your answers in the comments. The complete curriculum for Class 5 is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.